Okay, let's take a look at this problem. The truck enters a highway driving 60 miles per hour. So we've got our truck and it's going 60 miles per hour. Car enters a highway at the same place 9 minutes later. So here's our car. 9 minutes later. And drives 74 miles per hour in the same direction. So its rate is 74 miles per hour. From the time the car enters a highway, how long will it take the car to pass the truck in minutes? Okay. Well, basically, these both are traveling down the road, and we're wondering, when is the distance going to be the same? So, we're looking at the distance of the truck when it's equal to the distance of the car. Now, distance is equal to r times t, so we got the rate of the truck times time of the truck is going to equal to rate of the car times the time of the car. Well, the miles per hour is easy, R, because they give it to us. So rate of the truck is 60. And then I still got the T here. And the rate of the car is 74. And I still got the T of the car. Okay, now with the T, you have to specify one of these as our variable. And you could just use T if you wanted to, but that might be confusing with the T's you have here. So let's say X. Now this one is 9 minutes later, which means I've been traveling less time. So this will be X minus 9. Now I always, if it throws me, I think about an example. So for example, and these numbers here have nothing to do with the actual problem. They help me with the setup. If the truck's been going 100 minutes total, and the car started 9 minutes later, so it's been going 9 minutes less than this, then this should be 91 minutes. So if I were to plug in the 100 for the X, 100 minus 9 is 91. So that works. Now I realize that these numbers have nothing to do with the problem. They help me to think about the setup. Because what you're going to find is that this will either be X minus 9 or X plus 9. Okay, so we'll plug that in. The truck we said was going to be our X. And our car will be X minus 9. So we got 60x is equal to distributed property. 74 times x is 74x minus 74 times 9. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to take 60 over there, negative 666 over here. And we've got 666 equals 14x. Divide both sides by 14. And rounding, we get 48 minutes. But that's for X. X is for the truck. What they're asking, the car will pass the truck in how many minutes? Let me think about this. Okay, they're asking specifically for the car, so we'll do 48 minus 9 gives us 39 minutes. That's assuming I'm not reading it wrong. And they're asking for the truck. Well, let's check it and see. 39 minutes. Okay, it was 39. And that would be our answer.